Did you know a man once knew exactly how he was being murdered, and no one believed him until it was too late? On September 7th, 1978, Bulgarian dissident Georgy Markov was crossing Waterloo Bridge in London when he felt a sharp sting on the back of his leg. He turned and saw a man with an umbrella stepping into a taxi. Markov went to the hospital that same day and told doctors precisely what he believed had happened. He said he had been poisoned, deliberately, by his own government. They treated him for blood poisoning. Over the next 4 days, Markov was fully conscious and articulate. He could speak, he could reason, he could describe his killer, but his body was collapsing from the inside, and no one could find a cause. He died on September 11th. During the autopsy, doctors found it, a platinum and iridium pellet, smaller than a pinhead, buried in his leg. It had been packed with ricin, one of the deadliest substances on Earth. The pellet could only have been made by a government. He knew, he told them. They just couldn't see it yet.